Hi guys, I'm back. So you see those white marks, the bottom of the strap? That's the seat for the spring. And you see all these lines here? Everything is beautifully lined up to the top. Okay? So you don't have to struggle figuring out how everything was before you disconnect and remove this top nut from the strut. Okay? Now, next step, what I'm going to do is install this bushing bearing. Sorry, that's a bearing. Okay, pay attention. It can either go like this or like this, but the right way to do it is not like this. See, there is a little gasket here, rubber gasket. That rubber gasket, remember, has to press against this. If you put it like this, no. The black one has got to go against this, just like that. Very important. I made a mistake last time I installed it, and I heard some clicking sound. The other side I did correctly, because this was the first time when I did it. This thing just spring back. This thing jump out. I couldn't see the original positioning of the bearing, and I just assumed it was like this, but that was my mistake. So it has to go like this. Okay, keep in mind, this is a very standard for all the vehicles. Alrighty, 2012 Sienna, remember.